This is Steve with Afraid Not TV, and today we're going to cook a Boston butt, which is the shoulder of the pig, on a Weber Q1200. How are we going to do that? Why are we going to do that? So you say, why in the world would we try to cook a Boston butt on a Weber Q1200? Well, I like food. I'm from North Carolina, so I love pork. So the idea is to learn how to cook my favorite things on this little Weber Q1200, which has been an incredible grill. And I thought it'd be kind of cool if, while I was experimenting with things, if I'd kind of take you guys along for the ride and show you what I was trying. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is put some Bad Byron's butt rub on here. And this is a big piece of meat.
It's about 7 pounds.
It helps to have one person with clean hands let the person with dirty hands get that off.
You can get this Bad Byron's butt rub sometimes at your local grocery store. I know some food lines carry it.
But if you want big jugs,
which you can see if you're doing a big 7 pound Boston butt, you're probably going to need a big jug. This is like a 26 ounce container we ordered off of Amazon. I forgot how much it was.
And it's got the words bad and butt and rub, so it can't be bad.
Bad Byron's butt rub.
Alright, I'm going to pick. Got it nice and coated on all sides. This is that nice fatty side, and I'll show you when we get there, but I'm going to put the fat side up when I start grilling it so that all this juicy fat can drip down into the meat. So I'm going to start out, as you can see I got the Weber Q little roasting rack. I'm going to start out by firing up the grill. And I'm going to run it pretty hot. Try it lit. Yeah, I'm going to get it pretty hot to kind of burn off everything. And while I'm doing that, trying this idea came to me. For me and Jake's survival stuff, we make char cloth in a little Altoids tin. So, you know, normally we do the little packets of full packets of wood chips. I'm gonna take some of these. I'm gonna try these Jack Daniels wood smoked chips. So I'm gonna put these in here. And while this grill is getting hot and burning off, I'm going to let those go ahead and get going. Ooh, this looks big on this little grill. So, fat side, I'm going to put fat side up so that all those juicy driplets of fat can ease down in there. I got my tin for my wood chips. I've got it turned down as low as it'll go. And let's see how this works. Here. Hop, hop, hop. What a dog, what a dog. Okay, so we're about an hour and a half, 2 hours into this thing. Boston butt on a Weber Q1200. Can you believe it? What do you think it's going to look like? What do you guys think it's going to look like?
Good. It's going to look fabulous. Heavenly goodness.
All right, hang on. You ready? You ready for the reveal? Oh my goodness. Woo, buddy.
Way to eat it either.
Let me shut that down and let it cook a little more. Okay, this is on a Weber Q1200, a little bitty grill, big piece of meat. I don't know how it's going to come out, but I got to figure out a way to cook pork when we're on the road. It's just, I mean, I'm a Eastern North Carolinian. This has got to be done. Ooh, let's see here. What do you think, boys? Oh yeah.
See if it's done.
Hang on. Hold on to that. Hold on to that, Miss Kim.
You think so?
Y'all talk to me.
Oh my gosh, that is
Good to me, Tyler.
delicious.